So today we are going to make a paper cat. Okay. So to make a paper cat, we need a square paper, any color, okay, and two sketch pens. So fold it into a triangle shape, like this, and again fold it, see, like this, and also here fold it. We shouldn't have space over here, okay? And in this middle, fold it to back side. And fold it like this. We have fold over here, right? And turn it. So after turning it, draw two little eyes. Over here and over here. Put two circles over here and more two circles. And big circle and small. Two eyes. And color it black fully over here. Also over here fully. So it shouldn't color over this middle. We circled it, right? So after that, make it like this. Let me show you. So like this, mouth. Like this and like this. Like this and like this. So after that, draw a cute bow for my sweet little cat. Circle. Two triangles. See, a circle and two triangles. So, do you like my paper cat? Isn't it cute? So, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, comments. Thank you. Bye.